get
Happy Christmas!
Then you gotta fluff. Well, it's a very pretty tree.
Yeah. Even though I forgot to put the lights in.
We're gonna have to add lights.
No, Gucci. He is so playful.
You like the tree? Clarice or Rudolph?
Mine's Curly's, yours is Rudolph. I know what I'm going to make when I'm older. One movie, and it's going to be called Curly's the Red Nose Reindeer.
Oh, that's a great idea.
And Curly's will be the one with the red nose instead.
I think that's great. Clarice can fly the sleigh. Great idea.
And she'll be the first girl reindeer to fly. And I spend the holidays across the sea. What's Santa going to get you guys for Christmas? How come I'm not on the naughty list anymore?
Hey, buddy.
He's going to be in our video a little bit. How's the treat going?
Doing well.
I just had a little break. Could you guys see me? On Shantae. Oh, Christmas tree, oh, Christmas tree. Yep.
Maybe. I love you so much. We take a little break. I'm gonna order some lights